The hum of the helicopter blades is a sense of routine, but this vital link to the offshore world can also be the source of grave danger. As the coastline disappears, you are surrounded by miles of water in every direction. What starts as a standard practice can quickly become a fight for survival in a cold, unforgiving environment where every second counts. When faced with the reality of helicopter emergencies, knowledge and training are your most vital lifeline. OPITO's Helicopter Underwater Escape Training, HUET, equips you with that essential lifeline. This crucial course provides a comprehensive understanding of the specific risks associated with helicopter travel over water. Through practical, hands-on exercises, simulating real-world scenarios, you will master vital helicopter escape techniques. This training builds the necessary skills and muscle memory to react decisively and effectively, even in the disorientating chaos of an underwater emergency. Backed by 50 years of dedicated industry expertise, OPITO training standards are designed with your safety in mind. Like every OPITO certification, this training is recognised worldwide, so you can be sure you're prepared for any helicopter emergency, wherever your career takes you. Be prepared to lead when it matters most.